Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on System. Following that, select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gbird. Now click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!